Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today is to show you how to prepare Ogbono soup, the legacy, wonderful recipe. And for you to prepare this Ogbono soup, you need some required ingredients, and you know it's one of the soup that is mostly sold in every restaurant you go. So I'm gonna be showing you what is needed for you to prepare this. If this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos and also learn how to prepare wonderful recipes. Alright, let's go there. Beautiful people, I am here to prepare Ogbono. Here is Ogbono, well blended. Here is stockfish. Here is dry fish. Here is periwinkle. Also here is crayfish. And here is onions and the vegetable I'll be adding there. So I've just put my pot on the fire. I'm going to be adding palm oil in it now. So just put small palm oil there. Allow it heat before I'll be adding the onions. Here you can see that the pot's boiling now. You have to put the onions, allow it to steam a little. Now I'll add periwinkle, and I also add crayfish. So I'll also be adding the fish inside the pot. Wow! I'll stir the pot. So now I'll be adding water, the required quantity I want. So this is a cup of water. The water you add depends on the quantity of your Ogbono. So now I'll be adding salt to taste and Maggi. Here is seasoning cube Maggi. I've just added that. I'll be covering the pot now and allow this to steam very well before coming to add the Ogbono. So I'll be covering the pot. So you can see that the soup is boiling, the Ogbono. So I have the Ogbono here. I have to put all that. I'm cooking a big pot of soup and I'll be stirring the pots. So this will dissolve by itself. So you can see the Ogbono. Every lumps are now loosened, and I'll be pouring in the vegetable inside. So if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. You can see this is correct delicacy. So I'll just allow that to heat just for 2 minutes and I'll drop it down. And the soup is ready.